Hi guys, my name is Danny Finch with Finchcraft UK. Today I'm going to show you how to take apart any pallet with a very simple tool that I've made. And the tool is what I'm calling at the moment the cricket bat, right? Just because it looks like a cricket bat. But it's a very simple tool, and I'm just going to show you how it works on any pallet. So I have this flatboard pallet, and I have this slatted pallet, and I did do it on a Euro pallet earlier, and you can see from all the wood here, which I've literally done in the past 5 minutes. I'm not even kidding. It's so quick and easy. Very simple design. It's just got a curve here and a bit of wood sort of strengthening it. And yes, it doesn't look that pretty at the moment, but I'll neaten it up and I'll paint it and make it look fantastic, I suppose. But at the minute, I don't really care. It pulls apart pallets. So I'm going to show you how it works, and then we'll get on it. So I'll try to do this so you can actually see it as well. And there you go. You see no cracks, no cuts, damages, anything like that. Oop. Go another one, no cracks or anything. And then when you get to this stage, it's just as easy to pull apart. So flip it over, you can just do exactly the same again. Oh, casualty. I did notice there was a crack in that one already. So that one's a casualty, but never mind, it's going to happen. There you go. Not only that, pull all the nails, or most of the nails I suppose. That one hasn't, but most of the time it gets all of the nails out as well. So now I'll show you how it works on the flat pallet. Get them out of the way. So this one, keep in mind this is really thin wood on this one. So there's a better chance of it breaking, but if you position it right, it tends to take it off without any problems. There you go. So you see how thin that wood is, look. But it seems to work pretty well. Another casualty on that one. Go. And there you go. So I've took apart all different types of pallets from that. You can see from all this wood over here, I've had very little casualties. To be honest, the most casualties I've had out of the last 5 pallets has just been in this video, but you know, nothing's perfect. So anyway, yeah, just a couple of little bits, but other than that, works like a charm. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe for more videos like this and more designs. So if I get enough likes and enough comments on this video, I'll show you how to make one of these. There's literally no math to that. I've drawn that and just thought I'll give it a shot, and I thought, well, we'll put a handle at the top so it's easier to hold on to. But other than that, it's a very simple tool. You can make it out of scrap wood. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time.